59, Chairman.
59.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you very much for informing me. And what is her bill?
Similar, as mentioned earlier by Director Sanchez.
So, would you say that it will be physically impossible for someone of the same build as Attorney Sanchez to carry one duffel bag by herself?
Yes, it would be physically possible.
It would be physically impossible. Kaya nga nangailangan sila ng 4 na tao. So therefore, Mr. Chair, I would like to support the motion of Congressman Paduano. It's also important for us to find out kung sino pa yung 4 na tao na kasama ni Gina Acosta mag-withdraw ng 125 million pesos sa Land Bank. Land Bank, as a matter of procedure, pag meron po bang mga pumapasok na tao para mag-withdraw ng ganito kalaking pera, nasa logbook nyo naman po yun, di ba? As a security measure, I would assume, a withdrawal of this amount would require certain signatories and IDs to be presented.
Sa guards lang po ba yung we're talking about?
No, either the guard's logbook or the bank records logbook.
Sa bank records po, wala po kaming logs na pinipinsin as well.
So, ang nasa inyo, basta si Gina Acosta ang nakapirma. Hindi nyo na isinama doon yung mga kasama niya para dalhin yung pera.
Wala po, Mr. Chair.
Wala. But doon sa logbook ng guard, nandun yun.
I'm not so sure, Mr. Chair.
Siguro magandang malaman din natin kasi critical sa atin malaman yung mga individual. Sino po yung finance department? Yes. Very quickly, before I lose my point, Vice Chairman Benny, sino po yung finance and admin head? Yeah, Attorney Sanchez. So, sino po ang kasama ni Gina Acosta tuwing mag-withdraw po ng pera ng confidential fund ng Office of the Vice President?
Mr. Chair, may I?
Yes.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, as mentioned earlier, from the end of my tax, once we release the check to the payee, we do not have participation.
No. That's not my question. My question is, you're handling admin as well. So, human resource, employees. So, 125 million is a big amount. And I would expect some sense of security would be implemented by the Office of the Vice President. Kasi tama yung sinabi ni Congressman Garin eh. Baka mamaya may magka-interest doon na nalaman na isang tao na kasing laki mo lang may buhat-buhat 125 million. Talagang pwedeng pagtangkaan na nakawan yun. So dapat may kasamang tao, may magsisecure. So who were those persons who accompanied Gina Acosta withdraw that money?
Mr. Chair, as the security arrangements for the withdrawal of the money, I was not part of the arrangements, Mr. Chair, so it was not related to me, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, I think that would be an answer I cannot accept, Mr. Chair, kasi kayo pong tagapamahala nun eh. Kayong pumirma ng cheque. In fact, it was so quick that all 4 of you signed the check on the same day. There was haste in the office to withdraw that cash. So I would expect that in the same manner, you would also secure that fund. Kasi dito nga, December 20 ba yun? Sabay-sabay yung pinirmahan yung disbursement voucher eh. Actually, nagulat nga ako, sobrang bilis ninyo eh. 3 signatory, isang araw, nagawa ninyo eh. So, ipinakita nyo na minamadali nyo makuha yung pera. So, ang tanong ko, sa pagmamadali ninyo, siguro naman, tiniyak nyo rin, dahil nga nagmadali kayo, mahalaga sa inyo to, sisiguraduhin naman natin na secure yung pera. Ang tanong ko, oras na ibinigay nyo yung cheque sa land bank, sino ang kasama ni Gina Acosta i-withdraw yung pera?
Mr. Chair, respectfully, I really have no personal knowledge as to the companions of the special security.
Because Mr. Chair, this did not happen only once. It happened in December, it happened in January, it happened again, I think sometime in April, I can be wrong, and maybe again in September. Tama ba ako? Ms. Sanchez, parang ganun yung date, di ba?
The last one was in July.
Yeah, okay. So, it happened 4 times. So, Mr. Chair, Ma'am Lydia Del Rey, kayo, malalaman niyo ba kung sino kasama ni Gina Acosta nung withdraw yung pera?
Magbigyan din ng figure recognize.
Mr. Chair, I'm sorry, Your Honor, I don't have knowledge po kung sino yung companion ni Ms. Gina Acosta.
Kasi alam mo, Mr. Chair, ang nakakapagtaka dito sa Office of the Vice President, mabilis silang pumirma ng disbursement voucher para mag-issue ng cheque. Tumawag pa sila in advance sa land bank para siguraduhin na may pera ang bangko para withdraw yung pera. Kaso lang, wala naman silang nilalagay na action para pangalagaan yung pera. Di nga paglalagyan ng 125 million, wala na silang pakialam kung saan nila ilalagay. Kasi ang sinabi ni Ms. Sanchez kanina, yung vault ay para lang sa petty cash. Sabi niya may cabinet